An easy way to begin a collection is to choose a color, and whenever you find something that color amongst the things you already have, add it to the collection. I found these turquoise beads and marbles and put them in a shallow box and added a fish float, 2 jars of dry ink turned upside down so the color shows, a tube of beads, some sea glass, ribbon, lids, more ribbon, a dental floss dispenser, and some thread. I'll continue adding turquoise things as I find them and let the collection develop over time. You may also enjoy developing several small collections of unrelated things, like these magnifying glasses, keys, empty thread spools, and broken pencil crayon tips. You're the collector, so you get to decide what your collecting adventures will be.